Look, clearly from our end, we see the infrastructure sector, REITs less so, but still somewhat, but certainly the infrastructure sector has been the one that we're most cautious on. You know, for both those reasons, because of the comparative valuations to bond yields and also because of their cost of financing. So that's a sector that we're avoiding and have done to our detriment a little bit early. We also think that some of the expensive defensives or the consensus growth trades, the China-facing stocks, they've now cracked on the chart, so sentiment's now broken there. We've had the first leg down there. We still think there's more to come there, so we're avoiding them. And thirdly, in the technology sector, look, we don't think that on an absolute basis it'll have negative returns, but on a comparative basis, I think it's largely run the course. If you think about what the Trump trade is about, Trump's all about old economy stocks. Trump trade is about your cyclicals, your building companies, your manufacturing, your industrial type stocks. So on a comparative basis, I think they might now come to the fore ahead of perhaps some of the technology plays. Oh, it's a really good question. I think the answer is it becomes self-fulfilling in either direction. If enough people believe that the Trump presidency can genuinely kickstart growth, then it becomes self-fulfilling and self-perpetuating. And conversely, if enough people doubt it, then the converse is true. So I think it really depends upon how much sentiment can build around the belief in what he's trying to do there. People do need to recognise that he's not even inaugurated until the 20th of January, and then it's probably going to be 6 to 12 months before we see the effect of his first set of policies. So, you know, in terms of fundamentals, there's still some time to go before this unfolds, but sentiment's what drives market short term, and the sentiment can drive a market for up to about 9 months. Beyond that, we need to see the fundamentals start to move as well.